Thank you everyone for this opportunity to share with you some of the work that our team has been working on. I want to introduce you to Maria, a 24 years old student. Maria is among the 7 million people around the world currently living with inflammatory bowel disease, or IBD, a terrible autoimmune disease in the gut. For the rest of her life, Maria has to go through pain, severe fatigue, weight loss, rectal bleeding, among many other symptoms. Not only IBD can significantly reduce her quality of life, IBD can also increase Maria's risk for developing cancer. What is more, IBD creates a massive economic burden. First, the majority of IBD patients are diagnosed in the most productive age of their lives, with more and more cases being detected in even younger children. The disease costs over 20,000 a year per patient, totaling up to 14 billion annual economic burden in Canada, US, and Europe alone. This presents a significant pressure to the healthcare and insurance system. Without care, IBD patients like Maria will continue to suffer from frequent relapses and severe side effects from current therapies. This is why, at SoundHow, we are committed to permanently reverse autoimmune diseases, starting from IBD using cell immunotherapy.
We will start from modified induced pluripotent stem cells that do not cause immune rejection in patients. From these, we will derive tolerogenic dendritic cells, which are specialized in inducing immune tolerance, specifically in the gut. We will genetically engineer these cells to enhance their ability to turn off IBD-specific autoreactive T cells and induce long-lived memory regulatory cells called Tregs to restore a healthy gut. Importantly, these Tregs naturally exist in the patients and they persist for a long time, making this a more permanent solution for IBD. This unique approach will dramatically reduce the number of treatments patients have to get, which is instead high with current therapies. We believe our idea is not only scientifically sound, it also presents an attractive business opportunity. In the US alone, there are 3 million people living with IBD. 1 million of these patients do not respond to existing therapies. We aim to capture this market. Due to the universal and long-lasting nature of our cell therapy, we believe we'll be able to offer our treatment for $50,000 US. This would make our US market size $50 billion. Several new treatments are being trialed for autoimmune diseases, making this an attractive market. Yet, looking at the current landscape, we think the latest attempts don't go far enough in terms of innovation and ambition. For example, the majority of these new therapies target the immune system in general, not just in the gut, leaving the patients vulnerable to significant side effects, such as an increased risk of infections. Unlike other products, our disruptive therapy works in a very targeted way and can bring long-lasting benefits. This makes it safer than our competitors and also creates a new space in this market.
Here you can see our 6-year plan to reach phase 1 clinical trial. Using pre-seed funding, we aim to generate a proof of concept, optimize our technology, and file for a patent. Following on, at the seeding stage, we will further test and develop the product both in vitro and with in vivo model tests. Finally, in 5 years, we aim to file for an IND application to regulators and carry out phase 1 clinical trial. Here at CellHound, we know that having a great idea is only the first step, and that the correct execution requires the right team. We are a group of PhD students committed to the same vision. Fred and Marian have strong expertise in genetic engineering. Huang and Hossein have a solid track record working in the field of vaccine immunology, while Alessandro and Alina offer the expertise in cell biology and engineering. We also plan to recruit other team members with financing and business backgrounds. Last but not least, we are being backed by Professor Kleinerman, who is one of the leading experts in gut and IBD T-cell immunology. On top of that, we have been consulting with Pierre and Tim, 2 mentors with years of expertise in biotech startup development, and currently working in the cell therapy and autoimmune disease field. Both have been very supportive of our technology and venture. Together with our future investors, we believe our team has the unique skill sets to bring our vision to reality, helping IBD patients to regain the best possible quality of life through cell therapy. Thank you.